This is the loaded mashed potatoes from Costco. It's going for 12 bucks, $12.60. Here's the ingredients. You can click pause if you'd like. And the instructions. Real easy. We're gonna have this tonight. We're making some homemade zuppa toscana. My oldest son is. That's all sitting right here. And we got some homemade sourdough bread as well that we're just getting ready to toast once everything's ready. But take the lid off. It says put it on a tray. I'm not gonna put it on a tray because who cares? And just put it in the oven for 40 minutes at 350 degrees. So I'll be back in 40 minutes. We'll taste this thing and let you know what we think. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, look at all that melted butter right there. That top's a little crusty, which you'd expect. A lot of heat coming out of there. Look at that.
Smells good.
Oh yeah, look at all the heat. So that's long enough. It said 40 to 50 minutes. I think you're safe at 40 for sure.
I mean, the potatoes are more creamy.
Really?
More than I like my mashed potatoes creamy.
They're probably whipped.
Yeah.
Because there's no,
Yeah.
it's not like you mashed them, but that's fine.
Yeah, I like whipped potatoes. Tastes good.
Tastes really good.
Could have that Christmas with your ham.
You totally could. I liked it more than I thought I was gonna like it.
Yeah, me too. So good job.
Butter, bacon.
Costco.
You got some of these seasonings in here. I like it. This would be, I'd do this again for sure. For 12 bucks. 40 minutes is plenty. And we both liked it. And if my wife liked it, that's really saying something, if those of you that watch our show. And I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season. And remember, like, share, subscribe, all those other. Oh, hey, we hit 10,000 subscribers today. We're like at 10,003 or 4 now, but today, December the 15th, 2024, Chef Dawg hit 10,000 subscribers. So thank you very much. Okay, have a good one. Bye.